Hey, fourth grade. So, we are going to get ready for your language arts test this week, and I know that you have prepared. I have checked much of your work. It is looking good. Thank you for making corrections. If I have returned work with any type of comment, you are fantastic. What we're going to do right now is just go over the cumulative review in your language arts book, and this is on page 217 and 218. Okay, 217, 218 language arts book. So, cumulative review is just a review of everything that we have discussed throughout the year. If you notice, the first three are going to have you put a vertical line between your complete subject and your predicate. Now, remember, your predicate begins with your verb. Okay, so let's take a look at number one. We'll do that one together, and then you can do 2 and 3. Number 1, the beautiful yellow roses filled the vase. So our subject is who or what the sentence is about. Well, who or what is the sentence about? Roses. Yes, you got it. So the sentence is about the roses, and what did the roses do? They filled. So you are going to put your vertical line between roses and filled. It also asks you to underline the simple subject. Again, simple subject is roses. And you're going to underline twice the, you're going to underline twice the verb, which is filled. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for number 2 and number 3. Now, you are also going to look at 4 through 10. And you're going to tell whether it is declarative, imperative, interrogatory, or exclamatory. Okay, remember, declarative sentence tells you something. It is a statement. Interrogative is a question. Imperative, I am commanding you to do something. And exclamatory gets an exclamation point. You are excited. So, 4 through 10. Do those. Then you are going to use your sequence order or your time order words. Finally, first, next, and then. I am going to give you 15, 16, 7, and 15 and 16. So, which is going to be a book title that is shown correctly? A question of yams in italics or a question of yams and quotations. Well, we know that quotation marks mean this is not a book. This is actually a poem or a story, right? So it is going to be your first choice. Italics is going to tell your reader that you are describing a book or giving a book title here. And number 16, the mystery of the Indian carvings. Well, which one is correct? Remember in class we talked about how the minor words do not really count. So words like of and the, they do not need to be capitalized here. Therefore, you are going to bubble in your second choice. The mystery of the Indian carvings. Okay? For E, you're going to fill in the circle of the story title that is written correctly. So you have the Snow White Robin. Well, the first choice is underlined. Well, we know underlined means that it is a book. Therefore, we're going to look at our second option as being correct. It is italicized, not italicized, it has quotation marks. And this would indicate to your reader that this is a story title. Mort in the Sour Scheme, again, quotation marks, is going to be your correct answer. So your second choice there as well. Okay. Let's hop down. Oh, possessive. Let me not skip over possessive because I know that we worked on this quite a bit in the classroom. So possessive nouns, you are changing the phrase to show who has ownership. The feathers on the duck. Who has the feathers in this phrase? The duck. So these are the duck's feathers. To write that properly, it would be ducks, D-U-C-K apostrophe S, feathers. the duck's feathers. Please do the same for number 20 and for 21 and 22 as well. For H, I will give you the answers. 23 is D. 24 is B. 25 is E. 26 is A. 27 is C. I know we started to use these in class, but these are something that you will need to continually know. So just be aware of what those are. All right, so I fill in the circle next to the correct sentence, okay? So in the sentence, we're looking at verb and subject agreement. And 33 through 37, please underline the correct verb twice. All right, so I hope this helps you out a little bit. Again, prepare for your upcoming test. You can review any notes. Please feel free to ask me any questions. I'll talk to you later.